Hello everyone, how's everyone going? It's Sanjeev here, and today on this video, honored to give a review on Zach Crawford's MCS program. So, if you are thinking about potentially joining his team, hopefully on this video I'll give you a few insights, and also if you're also thinking about joining his PAP program, and I'll show you my results. And pretty much I've joined his team a while back, but this new strategy that I'm using is getting great results from it. So that's the reason I'm making video about this. So Zach Crawford is a seven-figure affiliate marketer, and he went through a lot of challenging times, right? And you might have heard his story, like he went to Philippines and then got married there, and he started a affiliate marketing business. Now he's teaching everyday people just to do the same. And we also get access to his private Facebook group where there's like a lot of members, and on a daily basis he shares the results, like how people are actually getting results. But something that I really like is the traffic strategy that he shares normally with the team, is that you create like short form content of like 7 second, 8 second, 10 seconds video and upload on platforms as TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and all these platforms just to get leads, which is like working really well. But something else that I'm actually trialing out, and I'm getting great results from it, is what I'm doing is to get results. I'll quickly share with you the emails that I've received, and this is the strategy that I started just using it recently. So if you go onto my email, this is yesterday, so I just started doing this strategy yesterday. So 1 2 3, right? And if you see all these other ones that I've been getting, like when I get commission, I get email, right? Email notification. So these are the three ones that I just started utilizing yesterday. And the way I actually get leads is like really different to what he actually teaches, because if you are actually in a 9 to 5, you basically don't have time to be creating content, and you might be out there looking for like a push button strategy. So what I did for those people is I provide solo ads, right? You might have heard of solo ads on Udemy, and I started um, giving out solo ads, and I've been trying a lot of different places where I can get solo ads, and none of them was working until I got my own traffic, right? And now I'm sending those traffic into my own funnels, own offers, and I'm getting great results from it, right? You can see just yesterday I got three, and then all these other ones that I've been getting like on a daily basis, right, using my own strategy. And this traffic that I'm getting mainly from YouTube, and they're like really targeted audience. And pretty much these people are actually looking for ways how they can actually earn extra income from online, or any opportunities they want to get into. So I get those leads from actually on YouTube, like really targeted, and it's working really great. So if you are someone who's like looking for a push button strategy, getting solo ads traffic, you can reach out to me. I'll leave a link in the description area. You can click that, and also I'll leave a link to my Facebook profile. You can come and connect to me, and that way I can help you to also, I'll get on a call with you. So if you are not seeing results with your solo ads traffic, I'll also review your funnel just to see how we can get the highest opt-in rate, and just to help you out, because I know there's like a lot of bad solo ad vendors out there who actually don't give you any results, and you literally just wasting your money. So if you looking for a high quality solo ad, reach out to me. I'll leave all the details in the description, and I can help you to get more high quality traffic coming into your funnel, and that way you can start getting that commission or the sale. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I cannot wait to connect to you soon. Bye for now.